So, we are going to study learn the first lesson of 11th standard mathematics textbook, that is sets, set theory or sets. This particular lesson in Gujarat State Board, it was in 8th standard. This was starting in 8th standard and it was continuing in 9th standard. So that you can understand that it is a very simple lesson. Set theory or sets operation is a very simple lesson to understand. So, first of all, welcome to 11th standard, and mathematics you can enjoy and learn in 11th standard. So, let us come to what is meant by sets. जैसे तो बहुत सारे सेट्स हम सीख रहे हैं कि सेट ऑफ फ्लावर्स, बंच ऑफ फ्लावर्स, ग्रुप ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स, dozen of fruits, so like that different things, that is sets. In mathematics, what is meant by sets? I will write 2 examples on the board and then from there I can give you the proper definition of set. I am writing some elements here. First of all, I am writing some elements. One is chair, lotus, x square, brinjal, gold, apple, 101. Many things I wrote, but you are not getting any idea what is this. Chair, lotus, x square, brinjal, gold, apple, what is this? It is a group of things, but all different categories. I will look into the next example. I am writing apple, banana, grapes, mango. Now you got a clear idea, this is a group of fruits. When I am writing another set or another group of things, 101, 27, 3008, 111, 1000, these are all numbers. When I am writing 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, numbers है, फिर भी more clarity है, they are all perfect squares. Look at the first one and these. What is the difference of it? First one was a collection of many things, whereas this is particular collection, that is well defined. Here comes the word well defined. ये देखिए, ये set of things, it's set of fruits. These are set of numbers. These are set of perfect squares. So, इसमें क्या speciality है? Apart from the first one is they are well defined. Defined है, clearly defined है. Well defined collection of objects. Well defined collection of objects or elements is known as set. So, set is nothing but well defined collection of objects or elements, we call it as elements. Well defined collection of objects is called a set. This is a set, this is a set, this is a set. The elements, these are all elements of the set. They are normally represented inside braces. You must be knowing what are braces. Braces are represented look at this. This is the symbol. If I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and I am closing this, this is a perfect set, and it is, these are known as the elements. and it is denoted by capital letters. A is equal to, I can write B is equal to X, Y, A, B, C. This is another set. So, the elements are denoted inside braces. These are known as braces. So, braces ke andar we are depicting the elements. These are called elements, and normally it is represented using capital letters. Small letters are put using commas, matlab it is listed. So, sets is nothing but well defined collection of objects or elements. This is known as set. So, we said set elements are represented inside braces. It is used to denote capital letters. Now, you know different set of n, its natural number. You can read through your textbook, everything is the introduction part of set theory. All these points will be covered. Natural numbers, real numbers, positive real numbers, integers, Q, rational numbers, positive rational numbers. All these are set. Then there are two methods of representing sets. Set can be represented in two ways. One is roster form and roster form, and the other one is set builder form. रोस्टर फॉर्म एंड सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म. रोस्टर फॉर्म का दूसरा नाम है लिस्ट मेथड और टैबुलर मेथड. लिस्ट फॉर्म एंड सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म. Very clear from its name, list form is what we wrote just now. Suppose A is equal to set of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Very well defined. These are all multiples of 3 lesser than 16 or lesser than 20 or lesser than 20, nahi, less than 16 I can say, or between 1 and 16, multiples of 3. Another one, B is equal to X, X square, X cube, dot dot dot. Even if it's not ending, I can write like this. Here I can write it, what is its speciality? All the powers of X, where powers are natural numbers. Now, the same thing can be represented in set builder form. Set builder form mein we will describe its speciality, describing property. Iska dusra bhi naam hai describing property method. It is, I can write it as how it is represented. You can say A, we will एक element का describe property करेंगे. That means suppose if it is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, we will describe its property. We will consider each element as X, X set of X, such that X is a multiple of 3 less than 16, or even I can write this as X such that 3x. It's a set of 3x such that X is between 1 and this is 3 5s are. Look at this, where X belongs to N. Look at it. Natural number between 1 and 5, 1 and the set of 3 x's. 3 x's. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. So, in both the way we can write. What about this? I can write this in the set builder form as B is equal to. So, this is about A. Now, B I can write like this, B is equal to set x raised to n such that n belongs to natural number. That means before that I think I will have to explain you this epsilon. Each element of a set is known as an element, each member of the set is known as an element, and we denote it as 3 belongs to A. See, 3 is an element of or belongs to. 5 does not belongs to A, belongs to, iska hai belongs to. So, x raised to n such that n belongs to natural number. So, it will come x raised to 1, x raised to 2, x raised to 3 like that. Look, it is a set of x raised to n. Like this, this is the way of roster form or listing form, or this is the method of set builder form. There are questions in the textbook, we will be doing that, how to write it in list form, how to write it in the set builder form. So, these are the first concept. So, based on these concepts, let us do exercise 1.1. You can just take your textbook and see exercise 1.1, and the first question is to say whether it is a set or not. Exercise 1.1. Which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. Look at the first question. The collection of all months of the year beginning with the letter J. What is that set? The months of the year starting with J, you know, January, June, July, you can list it and write January, June, July. It is a set because it is well defined, starting with J, months of the year. The collection of 10 most talented writers of India, it is not well defined because most talented writers in what way? It is not very clearly defined. So, it is not a set. A team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. It is not a set because it is not well. Best novels. Best novels for one person it is different, for another person it is different. The best food, the best film, it will be different. It is not well defined. So, the best and most talented, all these things are not set here. Set collection mein nahi aayega. The third one is also the collection of all boys in your class, obviously, sare boys ka naam likho, it is becoming a set. Fifth, the collection of all natural number less than 100, obviously 1, 2, 3 up to 99. A collection of novels written by writer Munshi Premchand, yes, obviously, sare uska novels ka it is a set. The collection of all even integers, yes, though it is infinite, even integers ka set kaise aayega? 2, 4 or even integers hai, so even negative aayega, negative mein -4, -2, so all that. Then all the multiples of 2, it is an infinite set, but still it is a set. The collection of questions in this chapter, yes, all the collection are well defined, so it is a set. A collection of most dangerous animals of the world, most dangerous kya? On basis of what? So, it is not a set. So, whether it is a set or not, you must have understood. Hope so. Main question number 2. Look at main question number 2. Look at main question number 2. Main question number 2 mein A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. अभी उसमें blanks दिया है. First question is 5-A. We have to fill it with belongs to or not belongs to. You can see 5 belongs to A. So, we will fill it 5 belongs to A. 8, second one 8 does not belong to A. Very childish, you can do I think the second question by yourself. 0 does not belong to A, 4 belongs to A, 2 belongs to A, 10 does not. तो अगर है element है तो belongs to, element नहीं है तो does not belong to. So this all you can maintain a notebook. Please write set theory, मेन पॉइंट्स जो इसमें हैं वो लिखो, वॉट एवर आई फ्रॉम सी द वीडियो और then note down the main points. What do you mean by set? Definition. It can be represented like this, all that things. There are two methods of explanation, I mean representing the set and all that things. Come to the third question. Write the following sets in roster form. Roster form मतलब list form में लिखना है, and complete exercise you have to do, and a day I'll tell you, you have to submit the notebook here. एक चैप्टर हो जाएगा, टेस्ट होगा, और एक चैप्टर का कंप्लीट नोट्स मतलब एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीटली रिटन शुड बी सबमिटेड. मेन क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, a is equal to x such that x is an integer between -3 and 7. What do you mean by this? -3 less than x less than 7 मतलब -3 और 7 के बीच में जो नंबर है उसका लिस्ट. हाउ विल इट कम? सेट -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is it. You can even give it its name है, a is equal to. Look at the second question. b is equal to x such that x is a natural number less than 6. Less than 6 का natural number होगा 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So simple. c, x such that x is a 2-digit natural number such that sum of its digit is 8. 2 digits natural number, sum of its digit is 8. 2 digits natural number starts from 10. 10 से लेके 99 तक total 8 आना चाहिए. Which are the total numbers? You can do it. Fourth question, x such that x is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. Divisor of 60. 60 का divisor starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All 60 का factors. 160s are 60. 2 into 30. है ना? So D will come. D is equal to then 6 भी जाएगा. 6 प्राइम नंबर. ओके, x such that x is a prime number which is a divisor. तो 1 प्राइम नहीं है, 2, 3 है, 4 नहीं है, 6 नहीं है. so only prime divisor. which are the prime divisor of 60? 2 आएगा, 3 आएगा, then 5 will come, 7 won't be, 8 won't be, 9 won't be, 10 won't be, 11 नहीं, यही आएगा 2, 3, 5, isn't it? Look at the fifth question. The set of all letters in the word trigonometry. And another rule of listing set elements is that you should not repeat any element. Suppose trigonometry का सारे alphabet लिखना है, so we will write T, R, I, G, O, N. वापस O नहीं रिपीट करना है, M, E नहीं रिपीट करना, E, okay, E is not written, E, then T already written, R already written, and Y. So this comes set of all letters in the word trigonometry. वैसे ही F you can write, set of all letters in the word better. So hope you understood how to write in roster form. Now the main question number 4 is, write the following sets in the set builder form. Set builder form में fourth main question, set builder form में कैसे लिखते हैं? See the first question, that is 3, 6, 9, 12. What is its speciality? It's a multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 3 threes are, 3 fours are. So it's between or multiple of 3, x such that, this way also you can write set x such that x is a multiple of 3 less than 13. That's enough. 13 के नीचे जो multiple है. This way also you can write, or you can make this as 3. 3 ones are. So let's make each element as 3x such that x is less than or equal to 1, less than or equal to 4. 1 into 3, 3. 2 into 3 and x belongs to n, natural number. Natural number में we will start from 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's like this. Like that everything has got a speciality. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So what is its speciality? Second question आप देखो. Second question is 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. What is it? It's all powers of 2. So this we can write it as 2 raised to 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 raised to 4 and 2 raised to 5. So how can we describe its property? How can we write this in set builder form? We can write like this: set x such that x is equal to 2 raised to n, where n belongs to natural number and n is smaller than 6. So clear. X क्या है x? X is 2 raised to n, 2 raised to 1. All the natural numbers smaller than 6. So it will come 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 5. So this can be written like that. Third you can try. Fourth, 2, 4, 6, dot, dot, dot. Even numbers. Even numbers, but x such that x is an even number. It's not ending. So nothing less than, nothing more than. So it's dot, dot, dot shows that 2, 4, 6. Look at it. Set 2, 4, 6, dot, dot, dot. So how do we write? Set x such that x is an even natural number or even number. That's enough. Or x such that x is an even number. X belongs to n. Natural number में जो even number है. So hope you must have understood how to write it in set builder form and how to write it in roster form. Look at the next one. Next question is 1, 4, 9 up to 100. ये मैंने पहले ही बताया था. This is fifth question. What is its speciality? They are all perfect squares. Perfect square. So how can we write it? Like x such that x is a perfect square less than, or first 100, less than x such that x is a perfect square less than 101. 101 के नीचे जो भी perfect square है, that is any way you can. It's not that only particular way, but it should well defined होना चाहिए. X is a perfect square less than 101. X belongs to natural number. Natural number में 101 से नीचे जो perfect squares है, that is this. So we are writing this. Now fifth question, list all the elements of the following sets. You can easily do it. I am just doing only the alternate ones. Alternate one you have to try it. Because it is too simple, that's why I am just doing only the alternate ones. Main question number 5. I am doing first one. A is equal to set x such that x is an odd natural number. Which are the odd natural number? 1, 3, 5. Second one you can do it. Minus half और 9/2 के बीच में जो integer है. Minus half के तुरंत बाद कौन सा integer आ रहा है? 0. Then 1. Then 2, then 3, then 4, because 9/2 is 4.5. तो वही है. Third question देखिए, third. x such that x is an integer, x square less than or equal to 4, x square less than or equal to 4. x जो number है उसका square should be more less than or equal to 4. Yeah, so you know 1 square is less than 4, 2 square is less than or equal to है तो 2 भी आएगा, and it's an integer. Integer है इसलिए negative भी आएगा, so we can write it as -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. आप देखो -2 square which is 4 which is equal to, -1 square 1 which is less than 4, 0 square 0 which is less than 4, 1 square 1 which is less than 4, 2 square 4 which is equal to 4. तो less than or equal to 4 x square है, ये जो नंबर है उसका square should be less than or equal to 4. Fourth आप ट्राई करिए. Fifth one, E is equal to x such that x is a month of a year not having 31 days. Which are they? January में 31 है, February, January, February, March में 31 है, April, May, June, September, अक्टूबर में नहीं है, नवंबर, यही है ना, जुलाई, फरवरी, अप्रैल, जून, September, November. These are the months. Sixth one you can do, and match the following also you can easily do. So with this, first exercise is done, and clearly exercise 1.1 लिख के main question number 1, 2, 3 please maintain a notebook. Any day I will check it, so please do it. Okay, now let's come to the next concept, that is empty set. The next concept is the empty set. Empty, very clear. Empty मतलब खाली, खाली set मतलब जब element ही नहीं रहेगा तो that is empty set. For example, I'll tell you, let A is equal to set x such that x is a natural number between 3 and 4. ऐसा है क्या? 3 and 4 के बीच में natural number नहीं है. So it's an empty set. कुछ भी नहीं है. This is known as empty set. Empty. और इसका दूसरा भी नाम है null set. Null set or empty set. It is represented like this. Represented by this is one symbol, or you can even use phi, phi, phi. So 2-3 symbol आपको learn करना पड़ेगा. So this is empty set. Then you have finite and infinite set. Finite is, we'll do it. Different types of sets are there. So let us stop with this empty set. In the next, I will be continuing finite, infinite, all these. So hope you are clear with what is being taught.